Emilia's vlog.
Hello guys, this is Emilia Vlog and welcome back to my YouTube channel again and or even Facebook. So guys, I will talk about stories again because it's night, so I can see that I don't have book or reading again. Also guys, this is a strong king of comedy guardian. Actually, this is dog. I hope you like it. Wanted the 100-mile-an-hour dog. Actually guys, these stories I will read who created this book. Books by Jeremy Strong. The Big Pig's Chicken Skull, Dinosaur Fox, Funny Witch and the Weak Wizard, Funny Witch and the Thunder Lizard, Fatbag, the Demon Vacuum Cleaner, Giant Jim and the Hurricane, the 100-mile-an-hour dog. I'm telling you, they're aliens. Return of the 100-mile-an-hour dog, the Indoor Pirates, and the Indoor Pirates on the Treasure Island, the Carrot Princess and the Last Griffin, the Carrot Princess to the rescue, the Carrot Princess in a monster trouble, Crazy saves the world, well almost, let's do the Paro. My dad's got an alligator, my granny's great escape, my mom's going to explode, Pandemonium at school, Pirate Pandemonium, Sir Rupert and Rose Gazette in deadly danger, the shocking adventures of Lightning Lucy, there's a para in our bath, there's a Viking in my bed, trouble with animals, Viking at school, Viking in trouble. Actually guys, this story, it's really touch. Jeremy Strong once worked in a bakery, putting the jam into 3,000 donuts every night. Now he puts the jam into stories instead, which he finds much more exciting. At the age of 3, he fell out of the first floor bedroom window and landed on his head. His mother says that this damaged him for the rest of his life and refuses to take any responsibility. He loves writing stories because he says it is the only time you alone have complete control and can make any time happen. His ambition is to make you laugh or at least snuffle. Jeremy Strong lives in a summer with a flying cow and cat. Actually, guys, this story is a very touch actually. Actually, this is a story part 1. Guys, this is Jeremy Strong Wanted the 100-mile-an-hour dog. Okay, let's start now. We have contents we all can read. Contents number 1, food, glorious food. Contents number 2, the Terminator. Contents number 3, fishy business. Contents number 4, shocking events. Contents number 5, boxing cleaver. Contents number 6, wanted. Contents number 7, some very fancy dressing. Contents number 8, Mr. Bittenbot's revenge. Contents number 9, condiment. Contents number 10, and the winner is blank. Because we already were good to read about part 1, and this is contents number 1, food, glorious food. Actually, the dog is so very hungry, so just wanted to eat something to eat. Actually, it's like he found a piece of chicken. Oh, so the dog was stuck. So there I was lying on my front in a rain puddle in the middle of the high street, with the dog standing on my back. Stricker had a roast chicken jammed in her jaws and looked immensely pleased with herself. I closed my eyes and groaned. Could this get any worse? In short, yes. Where did you get chicken from? I hissed. She couldn't answer. Of course, her mouth was full. Okay guys, ang sabi niya dito, may isang lalaki na nakahiga sa simento ng highway, talaga yung daanan sa sasakyanan, at umuulan pa. Kasi yung aso nakapatong niya sa likod ng lalaki para makuha lang yun yung chicken na binigtit na lalaki kasi nagutom yung aso. At pagkatapos, yung nakuha niya ito ay nagpasalamat yung aso na nakuha yung chicken talaga. Nakakatawa naman, no? Ito yun, guys. Kung nag-isip siya talaga, guys, ko delikado ba ito? After that, tinanong niya kung saan ba yun ang galing yung manok. O sa kalibin, hili naman, alak, it means, yung sinabi niya, ininakaw. Minili yan, ininakaw. Kaya sabi niya, parang siya nagalit. After that, hindi niya natanong yung sagot. Kasi yung bibig niya, kasi napuno yung manok. Kasi halos yung manok, yung aso talaga. Kasi guys, nakalak talaga siya, guys. So guys, this is part 2 about food, glorious food. So we're now talking about Jeremy Strong, guys. Besides, she didn't need to, because at the moment I saw the hands are hurtling towards me. A very big man with a body built like a monster truck. Yan. Nagtok na talaga ko. Natutog na ako mamaya. Stricker took one look at the portion human juggernaut and whoosh! She'd vanished complete with her packed lunch. She couldn't have run past it if she'd been shot from a cannon. Stricker, I yelled. Sabi niya, hindi niya na kailangan daw. Kasi daw, yung time niya na nakita niya, kasi nasagwat niya, yung papalayo yung aso. At saka, time na yun na may lumapit na bodyguard na malaki pala kasa sa kanya. Natulala talaga siya. Parang nakita niya daw parang monster truck. Kaya naman malaki yung tao kasi bodyguard eh. Time niya yung si Stricker, yung tinignan niya, nag-approach yung isang lalaki na parang juggernaut. After that, na-vanish siya kasi nag-pack na siya sa mga pagkain. Kasi hindi siya nakapagtakbo ng mabilis kasi pinagbaril siya ng cannon. Oh my goodness. Akala ko yung cannon parang panggera lang. It means na yung pangbaril, diba yung cannon? Oh. Sa totoo lang, sumisigaw na siya. Master Truckman skipped on the hot right next to me. He was bright red, roaring and blowing as if on his exhausted pipes and falling off. What's that? Nantok na talaga gusto. Nantok na ako mamaya. Exposed pieces and falling off. What was your dog? He thundered. Gulp. Time for an assistant decision. Should I tell the truth or should I just pretend for a bit? I glanced at the bulging muscles. I looked at his swollen, angry face. I decided to pretend. Otherwise, I might die on the spot. And I hadn't made my funeral arrangements. That dog now I squeaked. You called her. How do you know her name if she's not your dog? Yung papalapit na yung monster truck, nagmamadali siya kasi may lalaki na dumati kasi malaki, parang higante. At umisyate na niya kasi brighter siya, naka-roaring pa, parang galit-galit na talaga. At tapos yung naka-blow pa, para daw, ito ko talaga kasi napuyat na ako. Tutog na ako mamaya. Kasi guys, yung time na yun, parang naroaring at parang nagagalit na siya, nag-roaring na siya. Yung malaking tao na lumapit sa kanya kasi nakuha yung chicken roast. Chicken talaga. Kasi nagutom na daw siya. After that, tinanong siya kung aso ba talaga yung sabi. Kasi umuulan na. Well, time for the decision. Sinabi niya kung sasabihin ba yung totoo o mag-pretend na lang siya niya nakuha na yung chicken. A glass of mas budging muscles. Sabi niya, sorry, angry face. Nagalit yung malaki ta at minsan na yun. Nag-decide siya kung mag-pretend na lang siya na napulot talaga yung manok. Basta-basta, minsan na yun. Buo pa talaga yun, parang buong order. Pretend otherwise, kung sakaling mamatay ba talaga siya, kung hindi niya kasi hindi yun na arrangement ng kanyang funeral, baka mamatay na siya. Ito yung aso to eh. Nakatawa talaga. Tinanong siya kung bakit siya tinatawag. Tinanong din siya kung bakit alam mo yung pangalan yung aso kapag it means kapag hindi yung aso na yon. Oh my goodness, talaga yung story talaga to. Parang nakaantok mo talaga basahin eh. So yun guys, hindi ako magtatagal guys. Kaya parang napapuyat talaga. So guys, tomorrow guys, babalik din ako sa stories natin about this Jeremy Strong. It's so funny actually guys. I really like this story. Also guys, good night. Sweet natok mo talaga sa. Anyway guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. Huwag niyo kalimutan para updated kayo sa mga video ko. Nandun ako sa Facebook, Emilia Vlog, at saka YouTube channel. Emilia Conera. Bye bye. Merry Christmas everyone. Advance na talaga. Mag-ingat kayo palagi mga kapuso. For the rest of my life, say yes, 'cause I need